The LG G8 ThinQ has been launched at the Mobile World Congress 2019 in Barcelona, and we got some hands-on time with the phone. Here's our first look. The biggest highlight feature of the G8 ThinQ and the G8s ThinQ is the introduction of Hand ID, a new feature that provides palm vein authentication. This is enabled by the use of the time-of-flight Z camera and infrared sensors, enabling users to hover their hand over the display to unlock their smartphones. The LG G8 ThinQ sports a 6.1-inch Quad HD+ OLED full vision display with a 19:9 aspect ratio. The phone uses a crystal sound OLED, which the company says eliminates the need for a front speaker or a earpiece, though the company's iconic boombox speaker is retained at the bottom and now capable of stereo output. The LG G8 ThinQ runs Android 9 Pie and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC coupled with 6GB of RAM. There's 128GB of inbuilt storage, expandable via micro SD card. Interestingly, there are two variants of the G8 ThinQ, with one featuring a triple rear camera setup and the other featuring a dual rear camera setup that we have in hand. These will be made available depending on the market. The triple rear camera setup consists of a 12-megapixel primary sensor, a 16-megapixel camera with a 107-degree super wide-angle lens, and finally a third 12-megapixel 45-degree telephoto sensor. On this dual rear camera model, LG has foregone the telephoto lens, with the other two cameras remaining the same as the triple camera offering. On the front, the G8 ThinQ bears an 8-megapixel autofocus camera with an f1.7 aperture, 1.22 micron pixels and an 80-degree lens. Besides the Hand ID, there's also Face Unlock apart from a fingerprint sensor on the rear panel. The smartphone is powered by a 3500 mAh battery and supports Quick Charge 3.0. The company has also included a 32-bit Hi-Fi quad DAC, adding that the G8 ThinQ supports DTS-X 3D surround sound. Now, the LG G8 ThinQ price has not been revealed, nor the availability, but we expect to get these details for individual markets closer to their availability. We have a lot more MWC coverage coming up on Gadgets 360, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to not miss any of the action. Thanks for watching.